Welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to discuss about the common clinical manifestation or clinical presentation of a patient with a suspected liver disorder. In patients mostly with a liver disorder, it is not necessary to have the symptom or sign like a jaundice. Or otherwise, we can say a substantial percentage of patients with liver disorders may not have jaundice. It means that near about 60-70 percentage of the patient with chronic liver disease may usually have only mild or non-specific or trivial symptoms. The symptoms may be something like that, the symptoms of a common cold or a common flu, or a symptomatology like that of a allergic rhinitis. On observing our patient, the symptoms may be unexplainable weakness or great fatigability or malaise, and some of our patients may having with the constitutional symptoms like anorexia, nausea and vomiting. PC of our patient may be loss of taste or loss of smell. If it is because of any mild or moderate form of infection, there may be fever, mostly a mild or moderate fever only. On palpating the abdomen, you can feel there may be a tender abdomen, especially in the right hypochondrium. Other GIT symptoms may be like that of our allospodophyllum and sulfur or Bryannia or Nexomica, that is alternate diarrhea or constipation. The patient always wants to go to stool, but he cannot, or he has to strain much more. Or in some other patient, they may lose their control over the anal sphincters and the symptoms may be like that of diarrhea or symptoms of podophyllum. Something like that, GIT problem may predominate in most of our patients. In other set of patients, the symptoms may be like that of a case of influenza. Patient may complaints of the symptoms of our Gelsemium, Rustox, Bryannia, Eupatorium, etc. That is sore, lame, bruised, feeling all through the body as if beaten. That is a symptom of arthralgia or myalgia or muscle pain. Some of our patients may complaints with unexplainable weight loss also. In acute hepatitis or moderately active hepatitis, the symptoms will be usually diarrhea, fatigue, loss of appetite, mild fever, muscle or joint pains, nausea and slight abdominal pain, mostly in the right upper quadrant of right hypochondrium, then vomiting. As the case advances, the patient may complaints of a brownish or dark color of urine, and the patient may complaints with a dizziness or a drowsiness. That means he become more and more tired. On palpation, there may be hepatomegaly or hepatosplenomegaly can be observed, especially in alcoholic patients. Along with that, our patient may complaints of headache or dizziness or nausea, and the skin symptom of our patient may be itchy skin, itching of the skin. While inquiring in a closely observed patient, the PC may be about his bowels. That means about the stool. It may be a very light colored or a pale stool, or it may contain sometime blood or pus, and on examination of the skin or mucous membrane or the sclera, you may get some yellowish discoloration. So please keep in mind, in most of our patients with liver disorders may not have the expected symptoms, our patient may be a asymptomatic patient or symptomless patient, or even though there is symptoms, the symptoms are very, very non-specific or subtle or even subclinical. So only by a very keen observation, clean interrogation, clean analysis and evaluation of the symptoms, then only we may get a clue regarding whether the symptoms belongs to the hepatobiliary insufficiency.